it's me, Gary Cohen here, and today I'm going to do Fidget Spinner versus Fidget Cube. And look who's there in the background, and my brother. Hey, come in there. Come in there.
No, I'm not going.
I'm not gonna go. No.
Nah.
Okay, so let's see what you should have. This is 30 bucks. This was $6.99, or this can be 20 bucks. Okay. Hey, yeah. That's my brother. Okay. That's his face cam. That's my face cam. Stop. You might want to see what it looks like. So here, what it looks like. Okay. Okay. Stop!
Hey, don't hit video. You showed earlier you're a violent child.
Okay. I would actually say you should have
Hey, you see this big hole coming? You see this hole? This entire hole is from TNT. This entire hole is made from TNT coming. I think it went all the way over here.
So this one you should have more. This should be $6.99 or over $6.99. This is going to be 30 bucks. If you want one of these, I got the professional one. I was not there, but finally I got it back. This is my third day having this.
Yeah, but it's 30. It's the third day having this.
Nuh-uh, not my fidget spinner, my fidget cube.
You didn't go get 3 days ago. You got like last month.
Dude, this is my third day having it. Okay. So I hope you enjoy. So bye-bye.